About 9 o'clock out here on the 18th, I think. Hey, everybody. Listen to that roar. That is the wind. It is flipping windy out here. Blow your damn hat right off. You'll lose that shit real quick. And not only is it windy, but it is freaking cold. Oh, biscuits. I just got an alert saying that we're also people in this area are losing power. I could be next, and I'm in my office. Ooh, shit! Something just hit the roof. Alright, it's time to go. Just thought I would make a quick video of the wild wind and the sound. The gust of wind I heard earlier before I started recording had to be at least 40 or 50 miles an hour. I mean, I'm no expert at all when it comes to judging how fast wind is going, but definitely it sounded fast, like it was just a lot of air moving hard and fast through all these trees and shit. So anyways, thought I'd just use this opportunity to say hello to everybody. I miss you all. I miss you, Brandon, Andrew, Specialist, my daughters. I miss you all very much. Happy birthday, Burgundy, Gabriel. One more year older. By this time next year, Prego, you'll have 2 babies. I'll have 2 grandchildren. That's fan-freaking-tastic. I'm so excited. I just wish you would tell me what we're having because it's just killing me. I'm telling you. Peeling my face off, fucking wondering, what is she having? A boy or a girl? A boy or a girl? I digress. I'm excited. Another grandchild. Woo! So anyways, back to what I was saying. It's very windy and cold. I don't know why I'm outside, but I am. Just because I am. And okay, see everybody later. Bye. Love y'all. Oh, fucking crap, it's getting the shit out of me. Oh yeah, it's Augustus out here. Augustus. Love y'all, talk to y'all soon.